In today's video, I'll show you how to set a default homepage in Salesforce. First, open your browser and go to the official Salesforce website, then make sure to log in with your account. On the homepage, click the gear icon at the top right, then select Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Lightning App Builder, then click it under User Interface. Next, choose the page you want to set as default, then click Edit and wait for it to load. At the top right, click Activation. From there, choose how you want to assign it, either as an app default or for specific users, depending on your preference. Click Assign as Default, then select the Lightning apps where you want this page to appear. Click Next, then Next again, and finally click Save. Once done, click Save again at the top right to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you set a default homepage in Salesforce.